meghalayapost.news.
Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal hakasing sa Jan kelas sedang yak 9th Collegiate Youth Festival-cum-Games and Sports Meet Arajara Pusan a Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CPGS AS Umiam. Kani kita masajong kisamla bakantub yak jing lekai sports beper la pelong jing ilam lenti u Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor ka CAU Imphal kabala sedang hakakasan tarik unai wieng bar on penkutno hakakat nyau tarik unai wieng arajar ar pusan hakani ka jing pli perdaya kani kita masagi samla berkentub kita masajong kijing lekai sports beper la sakhi daga jing simentalang jong ki samla puli kinohikai kinomi khmat na ki khatlai tali ki snat rikam hapo ka CAU Imphal ya kani ka Youth Fest-cum-Games and Sports Meet araja ratusan awan play do Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma Director General Nectar DST Government of India harangkat ke jingdon lang Professor Indira Sarangthem Director of Instruction CAU Imphal Masyari Srimati Trinity Sayo Meghalaya Dr. Puranjan Das former DDG Agricultural Extension ICAR New Delhi but Dr. Ashok Kumar Singh Honorable VC RLBAU Chansi.
Approaching towards the arena, the next contingent is up next, please welcome College of Agriculture, Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh. Up next, please welcome College of Agriculture, Meghalaya.
meghalayapost.news.